AB.
What's up?
Chirac.
Chicago.
Yep.
I know Chirac.
Windy City, right?
Good deep dish pizza.
Yeah. How important is it for an officer to know his job?
I'd say it's probably the most important thing.
Right? Critical incident.
You better know what you're doing if you're going to be out on the street in uniform.
All right. Well, these two characters in Chicago, police officers, I call them characters because they remind me of characters,
Okay.
get into a shooting.
Okay.
And, well, I'll let you watch it.
Okay.
I've watched it because I found the video, but I want you to watch it and tell me what you think. Just to say that it's a husband and wife.
Oh, suspect? Cops. Suspects are husband and wife?
Yeah.
Did you know it was his neighborhood? I didn't know that. It was his neighborhood.
He said it was his
Apparently everybody else doesn't know that, but it's his neighborhood.
Okay, here comes the PO. They're rolling.
I don't have a neighborhood.
They're making contact with the male half.
Uh-huh.
The female already walked that direction.
Okay. Looks like maybe he turned around, huh?
Yep, they're turning around.
Activate the lights. No reason to do that. Nah. Okay.
Cops run to their vehicle. She runs down the street.
Assuming this female shot at them or something?
She shot at him twice.
She's probably just saying hi.
Yeah.
Not a big deal.
That's
not a big
common
deal.
communication in Chicago is let 2 rounds fly.
It's typical for Chicago, right?
So wouldn't you see? There's the husband right there, right? There's one officer that got shot at. They're not even to make an attempt to stop him.
Nope.
Or go after the female who shot at him.
Yep. Yep. Horrible.
So she's gone, right?
I guess in Chicago, when you get shot at, the cops just, it's an everyday thing. You just kind of, let me look around the corner. I don't see her.
These two officers look like they don't know what to do next.
They don't know what to do. That's why they look like they don't know what to do.
Yeah.
They really don't know what to do. There's another cop. Maybe he'll know what to do.
Yeah.
She's way past there, dude.
Oh, yeah.
She's all the way down the street. People don't run 20 feet and stop. They run for
They don't.
quarter.
Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Ooh.
Right?
Okay.
You got your radio?
That's somebody's phone ringing.
Call 2-1. Call 2-1.
Hey, my radio. Emergency. Look,
10-1, 9-1. 9-9 in Ewing. 10-1, 10-1. Shots fired. Police, 9-9 in Ewing.
Might want to grab your
You
radio
want to
there,
keep
buddy.
the radio on your person, right?
Yeah.
The female officer was hitting the emergency button and MBT.
Just open fire at us.
right, female suspect opened fire at 484. Was anything shot back or no?
10-4 squad. Shots fired back.
There's no attempt to even go after the shooter. That's the husband right there. They're going to just let him walk away. Listen to what she says.
All right, just caution that female ran into the alley and eastbound her 406
The gun jam.
This is ridiculous.
Why didn't you stop the second guy or the husband?
This is ridiculous.
Right?
Is this a training video or is this real?
No, it's real, dude.
Because if it was a training video, they failed.
Oh, absolutely.
They failed miserably.
This is what I want you to watch right here.
Just the female. Yep.
Yep.
Come here.
Yep.
Hey, come here. Let me see your
Ooh,
hands.
they can run. Oh, yeah. Everybody's got a plan.
Right here, look.
Where the bullets start flying.
She has no radio.
Yeah, see her guns out of
She's
battery.
got her phone in her hands.
Got her phone in her hands.
Fuck,
There you go. Get that gun for this girl.
Dude, can you imagine that? She's calling for help to help her get a gun down jammed.
I don't even know what I'm looking at right here.
Go ahead and stop it, Steve.
Yeah. This is... Does she ever get it unjammed?
She does. She pulls the casing out, and then she ejects a live round. She picks up the casing from the ground. Her live round and her casing. So
She picks up her bullets?
yeah, she picks up her bullets. So what does that tell you?
I'm going to go with this girl's never shot a gun before in her life. Maybe once or twice in the academy. And
Well, what do you do at the range, man? You pick up your brass, right?
Pick up
so
your
she
brass.
just reverted back to her training, and she did.
But you don't do that in the
You don't do it
middle
in
of a
real
fight,
life.
of a gunfight. You don't
You
do
don't
that. You
do
don't
that.
pick up anything. The fact that she got on her phone.
Didn't have the radio. He had to run out to pick up his radio from the street.
Yeah.
And they made no attempt to stop anybody, not even the husband.
Yep. Should have proned him out.
Exactly.
Should have proned him out at gunpoint. Hey, get on the ground, get on the ground. And if he doesn't listen, then you got to go close. You got to go hands on. That's what you got to do.
Well, even exactly at the very beginning, when they first pulled up in that video that was caused by the surveillance on the building,
Yeah.
they're talking to him,
The male.
the male.
What were they having, a domestic or something?
Pretty much, I'm sure they were.
Probably. Okay.
But at that point, they should at least identified him or detained him, right?
Do you think?
So, yeah.
Probably would have been
So this
a good
is why
thing to do.
I'm not going to say that this is the reason why Chicago's had a lot of problems, but if this is the evidence of kind of cops that they are there, they're in trouble.
I know a couple of Chicago guys that are retired, and they're out here in Vegas, and they're pretty solid dudes. These two, not solid, not at all. He was ridiculous. He drops his radio.
Yeah.
He has to go pick it up. I mean, I get it. Things happen, but it should be secured enough on your belt. You should be lapel run full speed, go over fences, do what you need to do, and nothing should ever fall off your belt. You should have it that way on purpose.
Secured.
Secure and quiet.
Your lapel mic is secure, so even if it does fall out of your radio holster, it's going to be popping up and down, but you're still going to have it.
You're still going to have it, yep. And the fact that she can't even clear her
Manipulate her gun, yeah.
Can't manipulate it. The first thing you want to do is eject the magazine.
Rack.
First thing you do.
Yep.
If the magazine's in there and you're just going like this, it's never going to work.
Nothing.
First thing you do, rip out the magazine, rack it a bunch of times on the side, let the bullets fly out, slam the mag in, re-rack it, you're good to go. That should have been 2 seconds of a speed reload.
I honestly think I watched the shadow, right, when she was shooting. Because you couldn't see her handgun, but she had one hand on the gun, and it was a weak grip. And I believe when she fired,
of course,
that's what caused the slide to lock up and malfunction.
Stellar police work there.
Yeah. So,
well, like I've said in other videos, if this female cop here was in the kitchen cooking supper, this never would have happened.
Well, she was
because she doesn't deserve that uniform at all.
No.
She should not be in that uniform.
No,
she's going to get herself killed or somebody else killed.
Yep.
And this dude, well, if that's the way this part of Chicago is, don't go to Chicago.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, hey, you can roll to Chicago, you can shoot at the cops. They won't even chase you.
No.
It was like they didn't even bat an eye.
They didn't care.
No, they just ran back to the car and hung
They were
out.
trying to secure the scene. There was the only scene was there is that 2 rounds that were just shot by him and her.
And neither one of them even tried to get a sight picture.
No.
They just literally just kind of shot at her.
Yep.
But that's I guess you could get lucky.
Yeah.
But no, that was horrible.
Yeah, horrible. So what do you think?
Donuts?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you,
What do
Crystal
you
Silva,
think?
for the donuts.
Yeah, thank you. What do you think, America? I'm gonna go with 3.
Ooh, I was thinking 2.
2. Let's do 2.
2.
Sorry, but
Just for one each for showing up.
yeah, just for showing up. I mean, at least you were there to get shot at.
Yeah.
Everything after that was not good. I'm sorry, Chicago.
Chicago, you're going to be burning up.
Better step up the training, because that training right there, if that was a scenario for LVMPD and the cops did that, they would fail.
That was embarrassing.
They would fail, and they would probably get an ass chewing, and they would have to go through a bunch of remedial. But any cops out here wouldn't do that, I would hope.
Yeah.
But hey, here's what it is.
That was 8 minutes of my time that I want back.
Yeah, you want back. You're never gonna get it back.
Yeah. All right.
That's
Damn.
dirty part of watching videos, right? Got to relive it. And
The good, the bad, and the very ugly.
that is right. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you think that the cops did a good job, bad job,
Yeah.
leave it below. If you have any questions, ask us at ask@LVCopsTV.com. We'll answer you right here on video.
Mm-hmm.
Like, subscribe, ring the bell, click the next video here, here, here. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to our friends at Jacob Group, Simply Las Vegas. For courtesy of them is our new studio.
New studio.
So thank you, Jonathan Jacobs.
Yeah, absolutely.
Real estate company. If you need to buy a house, buy a condo, you know what? I don't care if you need to buy a cardboard box. Guess what?
The way the housing market is, that might be the way to
This
go.
might be the way to go. Get a nice big cardboard box. You set up you get about 20 refrigerator boxes. Bro, you got a mansion. You got a mansion.
Land for free.
Land for free. So go see Jonathan Jacobs down at Jacobs Group, Simply Vegas. He'll hook you up.
Yeah.
That's where I got all my houses.
Yeah.
So it's a good dude, good group of people. Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty, especially in Chicago.
And make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.